Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. After trying an amazing authentic seafood paella at our friend's house last weekend, I really got inspired to replicate this paella at home. Making Spanish paella in an authentic way using carbon steel paella pan is a great cooking experience, amazing flavor and a really great dish for the long weekend night. It is a great party dish, and if you have time, making it in an authentic way in a pan is ultimately the best option. What is paella? Paella is a dish from Spain originated in Valencia district. It is a saffron-flavored rice cooked with meats, seafood and vegetables. As you already know, I'm a big fan of pressure cooking and simplified recipes. So today I will be making paella using my favorite Instant Pot. Instant Pot will allow me to cut down the cooking time significantly and simplify the cooking process. This way paella can also become your simple weeknight dinner. If you are making this dish for a party, paella will go exceptionally well with Spanish tapas. I will share a quick tapas recipe at the end of this video as well. So today you will learn how to make an amazing seafood paella in Instant Pot using widely available ingredients. Cooking time of this dish is about 30 minutes, including pressurizing and depressurizing of the Instant Pot. I'm using frozen seafood, which makes it perfect for pressure cooking. Okay, let's get it done. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video. Alright, step number 1. Keep in mind that it's only one step in this recipe, so it's super simple. Cut peppers. Interesting fact. Why green peppers are less expensive than red peppers, which are essentially the same peppers? Well, red peppers are fully ripened and require more time to grow. Green peppers could be harvested sooner, therefore more economical to grow. Now, mince garlic. Chop 1 large leek. Leeks have an onion flavor but much milder. When cooked, it becomes sweeter and gives a nice buttery flavor. Pro tip: always rinse leek inside since it grows in the dirt. It's full of hidden surprises, so cut it in half and rinse well inside before chopping. Now turn on saute mode in Instant Pot, add olive oil and simmer peppers and leeks until soft, about 6 to 7 minutes. And then add minced garlic and simmer for another minute. Add a can of diced tomatoes, salt and pepper and cook for another few minutes. Now you can turn off saute mode. Always remember to deglaze your Instant Pot after sauteing and before pressure cooking. Avoiding this step may create a burn message on your Instant Pot. Using silicone spatula, scrape the bottom of the pot. Make sure there is nothing sticking to the bottom or the sides of the pot. Now rinse rice really well. You need to remove all the starch so the rice doesn't get too sticky. You want to use short grain rice for paella, as it's great to absorb flavor from all the spices in the dish. What are the best rice options for paella? Bomba, which is also called Valencia rice, Calasparra rice, which I'm using for this recipe, or Calrose, a medium grain rice which is widely available in the United States. Now you can throw the rest of the ingredients in the Instant Pot. A big plus of this recipe is that in 25 minutes your dish is ready. All ingredients go almost at the same time. I call this recipe throw and go. Saffron is a key spice which adds a nice flavor to paella. However, if you for some reason are out of it, don't be too upset. Replace it with a ground turmeric. It will add a nice golden color to the dish. Typically, seafood cooks really fast. Since everything is cooked at the same time, the key for this recipe is to use frozen seafood ingredients. This way seafood doesn't overcook in the pressure cooker. Alternatively, you can use non-frozen ingredients, but you will require to cook seafood in a separate step. After you put all the remaining ingredients in the Instant Pot, close the lid, select the rice setting, which is between 10 to 12 minutes. Spanish cuisine is not really spicy, but personally I like to add some kick to all my recipes. So adding a red pepper flakes and chili peppers is optional. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my weekly cooking inspirations. Also, like, share and comment. It will help a lot to support my channel. After time is up, let pressure naturally release for 10 minutes and then release remaining pressure and turn off Instant Pot. Your dish is ready. It looks and tastes amazing. Serve it right away. You can garnish it with some parsley on top if you like. If you want to add more authenticity to this dish, you can create a rice crust, which is also called sacarat. by moving this dish to the pan and frying it for a few minutes on high heat under the lid of foil. But it is an extra step and I will not worry about this for this recipe. Before dinner, I like to serve some appetizers. In this case, Spanish tapas. It is a great appetizer and has a nice fresh flavor. Here's a quick recipe for you. Cut 2 large tomatoes in half. Grate using box grinder. Add 2 minced garlic cloves, salt to taste, a bit of red pepper flakes and chopped parsley, flash of olive oil. Toast 4 pieces of crusty bread, such as rustic baguette, sourdough baguette, or black olive bread. Drain as much liquid as possible from tomatoes and spread it on the toast. If you like this recipe, make sure to check out my selection of other quick and easy Instant Pot recipes. Click on the next video on your screen. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon.